Welcome to AI in 60 seconds. Today, we're diving into Microsoft IntelliCode and discovering how it supercharges your coding in Visual Studio Code. IntelliCode is an AI-driven tool that enhances your coding by offering smart, context-aware suggestions to speed up your workflow. Let's explore some standout features of IntelliCode. First up, IntelliCode provides context-aware code completions. It analyzes your code's context to suggest the most relevant snippets. Next, it offers whole line completions, predicting and inserting the next segment of your code based on what you're working on. You can also train IntelliCode on your own code base for tailored suggestions that fit your unique coding style. IntelliCode aids in refactoring by spotting repetitive patterns and recommending improvements. It supports multiple languages, including Python and JavaScript, making it a versatile tool for any project. Here's how to get started with IntelliCode in Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio Code, navigate to the Extensions view by clicking the Extensions icon in the activity bar, search for IntelliCode, and hit Install to add it to your editor. Let's see IntelliCode in action. As you type a function, IntelliCode suggests relevant completions based on your current code. Watch how it predicts entire lines, saving you time and minimizing errors. That's a quick look at Microsoft IntelliCode. Activate it in Visual Studio Code today and elevate your coding experience. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing AI insights in 60 seconds and stay ahead in the AI revolution.